This is the solution video for section 3.3, problem number 5. All right, so if I'm trying to find f prime of x, first thing I want to do is I want to rewrite this. So if I have the natural log of the square root of x, I can write that as the natural log of x to the 1/2 plus the natural log of x to the 1/2 power. Now, we can use a property of logs that says that the natural log of x to the 1/2, as long as the 1/2 goes to whatever's inside of the natural log, we can bring the 1/2 out in front as a coefficient. So 1/2 natural log of x plus, but you cannot do that with the second one. The second one has to stay as is. So now that's f of x. So let's find f prime of x. All right, so I have 1/2 times the derivative of the natural log of x, which is actually just 1 over x, plus now I have the natural log of x to the 1/2, so now we need to use the chain rule. 1/2 times the natural log of x to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of the natural log of x. What is the derivative of the natural log of x? It is 1 over x. So now this is what we have, so we could potentially make it look a little nicer. So this would be 1 over 2x plus, here I've got 1/2, and then I've got 1 over x. So I actually would also have 2x there. And then I have the natural log of x to the negative 1/2. So that would actually be the square root of the natural log of x in the denominator. So you could, once again, potentially get a common denominator if you want. Multiply this side by natural log of x over square root of the natural log of x. And so I could have the square root of the natural log of x plus 1 over 2x natural log of x. So just a slightly different looking version, but the same.